To determine a 22.5 degree angle from 45 degrees, you would strike an arc on your 45 degree line and one on your original line, and then you extend your compass or your Dremel points any distance and strike 2 more arcs. You'd snap a chalk line through your intersections of your arcs to get your 22.5 degree angles. So that's how you do it. Thank you for viewing.